everyone, it's Donna. Okay, we're going to do an Adore Me Elite subscription unboxing. And I am wearing Lily Pulitzer because I'm getting ready to do a stitch fix, and I asked him to send me Lily Pulitzer. So, in honor of that box that I'm getting ready to do, that's what I'm doing. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, I asked for a darker color Adore Me subscription box, and I limited my colors because you can make a selection and they can send you certain colors, and they'll hunt for them. They have somebody that, you know, tries to organize things and get them in the box. So let's see what they sent me. I'll be curious. It looks pretty dark. It looks pretty dark. So here we go. Okay, first package. All right, I went ahead and undid the clicky thing. So it wouldn't take me time to open it. Okay, this is a little black top. It's got a razor back cut to it. Okay, just a loose little top at the bottom. And I'll be curious what they send me with this. Maybe, because usually they'll send you two pieces that go together. Example, let me show you this. If you order a bra, it always comes with a matching set of panties. Pull it out. So we have this bra. That's cute. That's very pretty. That might be a keeper. I like it. And then it comes with the, it's a set. So let's see what they've sent here. And it has the, oh, those are cute. It has the panties. And look at the back. Isn't that cute? So, you know, it pays because I think I've mentioned this before. When you go shopping and you are going in the lingerie department, you can never, if you see something super cute, it's very rare that you are going to find your bra size and your panty size because everybody comes in and grabs everything. So here's my next thing, and I don't normally wear stripes. I just don't like stripes. But, hey, I'll try it on, and I might love it. Oh, these are pants. Little lounging sleeper pants. Those are cute. Those are kind of cute. They're kind of a grayish green. Let me put that up there. They've got a drawstring, a gray drawstring to it. Is that a dark gray? It's a dark gray. And a kind of a olivey green, but it's a lighter, if you can see that. Let's see what they, pull that out. Let's see what they sent with it. And I like it that they bag everything individually. That way it looks neat to me. The top is gray. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's cute in the back. Let me show you the back of this thing. See that? Can you see it? I hope so. Kind of opened in back. And the front is just a scoop neck. And the problem I'm seeing here is this is not adjustable. So if it doesn't fit you right on the sleeves, you'll need to send it back. Huh. But I will be curious to try that on. That'll be very cute to try on. What do we got next? I see light blue. I know it's got a little ledge there. There it is. I can rip this little thing open easier, maybe. All right, what do we got here? Oh, that's kind of different. Look, it's just a little sweatshirt. Now, I had stated that I did not want any sweatshirts because it'll ask you, do you want a sweatshirt? No, I don't need sweatshirts, but I will try it on. And it's gray and it's white and it has a light blue string, which is really cute. That's a cute detail. It's almost a bluish gray. It's cute. But do I need another sweatshirt? No, I don't need another sweatshirt. Okay, then we come to this, and this, is this the same outfit? Maybe not, because it feels smaller. Let me pull that open. I hate to destroy a bag if I'm sending something back. Now this is black. These, yeah, see, it's got a black. Those are cute. That is cute. Let's see the top. It has a little top with it. Like I said, it'll always come in a set. And the top is black. Let's find the other sleeve. And it's sort of like the other. Let's see what we got. Don't you just love it when you get things like this that are crisscrossed? Okay, let's turn it around. So, this is going to be a trick. Because I'm going to figure this out. Maybe. Oh my gosh. I guess that's how it goes, right like this. This is the back, and this is the front. And ladies and gents, there is no adjustment strap. If it is too long and it stretches, you would have to fix it. And that's a worry because I've had things like that before, and it's like you have to throw them away. And then we come to this. Next item. Let's see what we got. Oh, now I could probably use these. They're nice and heavy. And they have a little key pocket here in the front. Little biker shorts. Those are cute. I could probably use that. I have just purchased a top that might go with. And then one more item. This was a big box, you guys. You said a lot. Now we're coming to just some athletic pants. And I have tons of these. But what I do like about these, I saw it immediately. It has the side pocket. And I love that for my cell phone, and I like it for my insulin pump because I can slide it right in there and it keeps it out of the way. So I will try these on too. Anyway, next month is going to be a brighter box month, I promise you. I just wanted to see if I specified a color, if I would get it. And I did ask for some blue and pink as well. And they did try to deliver some things that had blue and pink. But they sent me mostly the darker colors because that's kind of what I requested. And anyway, we're going to sign off, and I'm going to get ready to do my Lily Pulitzer Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you're interested, I'll probably download these two videos at the same time. And I hope that you will please subscribe to my channel. And I hope everybody's doing okay, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.